Always consult a doctor before trying anything off the internet. Duh.
Hey beautiful people, so today we are doing a video. We're trying TikTok hacks. And we're gonna kind of mix it up with hacks that we've seen on Instagram, hacks that we've kind of made up ourselves. I was so impressed with some of the hacks that I've seen on TikTok. Some of them I honestly couldn't believe. And let's be honest, we've all tried some of the hacks that we've seen on TikTok and some of them suck. Like, let's just be real about it. But some of them have been shockingly good. Like, I don't know if you guys actually saw a couple weeks ago, I actually was complaining about not being able to get lip filler. Dr. Marta, I miss you so much. Book a day with me. It's been a while. I haven't seen Dr. Marta. And I tried this hack where we basically put toothpaste on my lips. I was literally shook with how amazing it was. I'm hoping I don't end up in the hospital by trying any of these. Let's give it a try. This video is all gonna be about, of course, beauty hacks, yes, but how to get luscious, juicy lips. You guys can be the judge. You guys can tell me which ones you like, which ones you don't like. Okay, first, the eyelash curler. You just use an eyelash curler and you curl your lips. I think this girl's reaching, but we're gonna try. According to this video, I'm supposed to curl. How is it gonna fit? Yeah, pull it through a little bit. I'm pushing it through. Oh my God. This is painful. You're just basically squeezing your lip. You're making it swell up. Look at that. Does that look delicious to you? That looks disgusting. This is ridiculous. Okay, you know what? I'm feeling it right now. It's starting to feel a little swollen. First of all, like, how stupid do you look trying to put your lip in the thing? There's gotta be a better way, guys. I feel like Mr. Ed. You know that donkey, Mr. Ed, who's like, I do think it worked, but not worth the embarrassment or the discomfort. We'll do a lip liner whole thing at the end and you guys can see how big it actually gets. But this as it is, I mean, yeah, does it make my lips plump? Sure. But you know what I could also do? I could just twist my lip like that. It's like when someone gives you a titty twister. I'm not saying anybody should give you a titty twister, but this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. I mean, when are you ever gonna do this? Like, what if you're actually out in public? Or you're doing your makeup like with your boyfriend next door? What are you gonna do? You're gonna do this? Nobody's gonna do that. That's not cute. Okay, we're gonna move on to the second one. Number 2, fireball. All right, so this one is actually one that we kind of made up. And I'm not even sure if it works yet, but today, my Jihei, you guys know Jihei, she's my girl. She's awesome. She's the one who keeps me styled up fabulous. She actually was eating a fireball and she just like rubbed it on her lips and her lips like swelled up and they looked amazing. So this is the fireball right here. I'm gonna open it up and I'm just gonna go ahead and start rubbing it on my lips. So I think I'm gonna wet it. I'm gonna lick it. You should lick it. In case you haven't had a fireball because like maybe you're like 11 teen. Fireballs are cinnamon based. So they're very, very spicy. I love spicy food. That is not cute. There's a lot of dye in this. That is too much dye. Okay, ready? So we're gonna rub it on the lips. Okay, it gets dry very quickly. Ooh. Oh my God, this is like lip plumper. Okay, it's been a few seconds. My lips are starting to burn. I kind of feel like once you get rid of the color, that's actually where the cinnamon is. So that's the part you wanna rub. I guess if I was gonna kiss somebody, this would be like nice taste. Chris! Chrissy, come kiss me!
Daddy, kiss my mom!
Did this one make a difference? I can't tell. I definitely felt like my lips were plumping, like all the feelings that you get when you do like use lip plumpers, but I don't know. I think they did. I think it worked. Yeah, the fireball actually worked. I'm actually impressed. You do not need to buy lip plumpers. Those like lip plumpers and all that stuff, you could just use candy. Facts. Number 3, gluing your lip to your face trick, which I don't know why people would want that, but the people who I saw on TikTok who had it actually looked really good. So I'm gonna use, this is our sticky tack lash glue. It's a clear lash glue. It's pretty strong, but it's also like restickable. So if my lip comes down, I'll just press it back up. So I'm just putting a little bit here and I'm just gonna, oh, do I look like a cat? Meow. Okay, while I'm letting that dry, I'm actually gonna do the bottom too, because why not? So I'm just putting the glue right underneath. How are you gonna look when you smile? Are you gonna be like this? Like Lisa Rinna. Oh, look at my upper lip. I'm gonna try the duo glue that they used because this is not working on me so far. All right, so I'm gonna put it here and this here. All right, let's try this again. I'm not gonna lie, my skin is starting to burn now where I had the glue. Yes. Ollie's over here like, it looks good. This looks awful. I think only the top is gonna work. I'm gonna remove the bottom. The bottom did not work for me. And then what happens like when you're on a date and all of a sudden it goes bling. I'm sorry, I can't actually laugh properly because my lip is glued to my face. This actually works, but I hate it. I wonder how it'd be to kiss me right now. Oh, yeah, it came off now. I'm not sure I would recommend people to do this. Okay, my loves, so I took a little bit of a break. I gave my lips about an hour to kind of calm down and come back to their slightly medium-sized, less plump shape that they were before. They're much more calm right now. I also put a little bit of lip balm on and a little foundation. I know my face looks a little greasy. You guys don't know what I was doing. I was doing laps around my house. Anywho, back to this video. Number 4, cupping challenge. We obviously knew there was like a challenge back in the day. It was like a Kylie Jenner challenge, a lip challenge, where they basically would take like a bottle cap, somebody would suck on it really hard, and then their lips would become like really swollen. I don't know if they necessarily looked sexy, but they were definitely bigger. But my sister told me about people who actually use cupping. These are really great to kind of help like drain lymphatic nodes and kind of like get all the drainage, all the puffiness, all like the circulation in your skin like in the right place. I've never really cupped my face, so I'm gonna try this really quick. I'm just gonna kind of do this with my lip and put it here. Oh, and then suck it. Sounds like I farted, but I didn't. Okay, that's not working. I don't know if I need to go bigger or smaller. I mean, these are like, there's different sizes here. Let me try this one. Okay, so I've done this a couple of times now. I finally figured out it wouldn't stick to my lips and it just wasn't really giving me the plump that I want. You need to pucker up, then put it on your lips, then you squeeze while you're still puckering up, and then you let all the air out, and then you let go, and then you go like you're sucking a straw. So let's try this again. So we're gonna pucker up. Woo! I just slobbered. That really, really, really worked. But my lips are numb and a little bit blue, to be honest. I look a little Angelina Jolie-esque, and I don't know, I kind of do like this. The suction cup works. We got a couple of successes, so this wasn't like a complete waste of time. I don't know. It's like, are you one that believes beauty is pain, or are you one that wants to be comfortable? I'm a little bit in between. Sometimes I don't mind the pain, but a lot of times I'm a mama. I want to be comfortable. Depends on my day. I feel like I'm gonna go with the pain. We're not gonna be able to do the next challenge until my lips go down. So hopefully this happens quite quickly. Is there like an exercise you can do to make them go down? Well, it works. Well, it works. I think at the end of this video, we need to combine all the hacks that worked well, and we're gonna have to see how my lips look at the very end, and I'll do like the overlining and all that so you guys can see the full difference. Number 5, wasabi lip mask. This is fresh wasabi we just got from a Japanese store in Dubai. They literally just delivered it. I don't know about this. I'm supposed to put this on my lips and it smells fresh. I'm just gonna say that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use this silicone brush, and I'm just gonna start applying it on my lips like a mask. It smells, ooh. Oh God, no, nope, don't do that. That does not work as a mask because it just straight up burnt my lip really, really bad. I'm gonna use some gloves. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the wasabi juice and spread it on my lips. Let me tell you, I have a very high threshold to pain. I gave birth without epidural. I was calm. This burns. Tastes good though. I'm actually gonna use a cotton pad. I'm gonna put the wasabi on the cotton pad. The wasabi itself keeps falling, and it really should be like a wasabi mask. It should just kind of be something you put on for a little while. I'm not putting it on over the whole mask because I don't want it to get to my face. I'm just kind of putting it like in the middle, kind of the shape of my lips, and I'm just gonna hold it against my lips. I can't do this. Okay, I don't recommend this.
Are you okay?
Total, right? Whoa! My lips are huge and red. Woo! What I'm starting to realize, the more it hurts, the bigger your lips get. The more pain, the more gain, unfortunately. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna try to mix everything together, and then we're gonna line my lips at the end to see how everything looks. So I'm gonna start first using the suction cup. I'm gonna do exactly what I told you guys before.
Wait a second, is this confidential? Okay.
Next, I'm gonna grab my wasabi mask, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my lips. Do not try this at home, guys. Okay. Whew. I got some extra wasabi. Screw this! I'm not doing lip fillers anymore. This is what I'm gonna do. This is free. This is free. This is like cost me $5. I'm gonna now, I'm just gonna do a quick shot really close so you guys can see the difference, and then I'm gonna line them like I normally would, and we're gonna see if it looks good or if I look like a blow-up doll. You guys can be the ones to judge. At the end, I want you guys to tell me if you liked any of them, which one was your favorite, if any at all, and if you didn't like them, what is your favorite hack to make your lips really nice and juicy? I wanna know. So I'm gonna do a quick pose so you guys can see the difference. It's so major. Now I'm gonna line them. I'm just gonna use a little lip balm. Just liner lip balm is what I'm using right now. I can barely rub my lips together. They feel so swollen. Oh my Lord. Chris, what do you think about my lips right now?
Nice.
Do you like them? Do you want to come kiss me?
Sure.
Can you tell me if I'm a better kisser right now, if I'm worse?
Of course.
I'm a good kisser, right, Chris? Kiss me. No, on camera. We gotta keep PG. We got kids.
Of course.
We got kids watching. Wait, I just kissed Chris off camera because I wanted to see if he liked it. What did you say, Chris?
They're nice.
He liked it. I don't know if I recommend this ridiculousness. Let's be honest. We're all going to be a little intrigued by some of these things. Some of these things we may want to try. Are we going to do this on the daily? No. I don't know that I would recommend this because I don't know if this is like good stuff to do on a regular basis. I'm not sure that like pulling your lips out is necessarily healthy. I don't know that putting wasabi on your lips is healthy, but I did try this. I did like them, but I'm not sure that I would recommend them. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please let me know which one of these hacks that you guys liked below. Which one was your favorite? Which one do you guys think worked? Which one did you kind of like not like? And then are there any other hacks that you guys want us to do? Skin hacks, hair hacks? Tell me, let me know. I will definitely try them for you guys. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys really soon. Bye, guys.